Dear our guest, Ahmed, thank you very much for coming and welcome to everybody. Dear our trainers, I really happy, I really proud that I have a team that who is leading this training, leading this program, our administrator, and again, congratulations to everybody. Thank you very much. Have a safe day.
We see the sun in the sky. We feel it all unfolding. Into the morning we'll take flight. It doesn't matter where we're going. This time is ours, and this is where we start. Right now we know the ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. And when the wild is calling, we'll take it all if we want it. We'll chase down every road just to see what's beyond it. This time is ours, and this is where we start. Right now we know the ground we're standing on is right where we belong. This feeling that we found, it's clear to see that you and me, we're ready for anything now. It's clear to see we're ready for anything now. Yeah, you and me, we're ready for anything now. These are the days where moments are made. Now or wait, we're born to fly. The world is ours. Let's eclipse the stars and make it shine. Now's the time. Today's the day. Now's the time for all our dreams to come alive. Today's the day to see the world in a whole new light. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Time. Today's the day. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Time. Now's the time. Now's the time. We hung the moon and made mountains move. We climbed the top of highest highs. We can do anything now. We open our wings. We're catching flight. Now's the time. Today's the day. Now's the time for all our dreams to come alive. Today's the day.
Graduation is not the end, it is the beginning. Today, we mark an exceptional day in our calendar as we celebrate the tireless journey of our students. The beginning will come into reality on this first day of March as we all witness the much-awaited event on every student's life.
Now's the time. Now's dreams to come alive. Today's the day to see the world in a whole new light. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Time. Today's the day. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Time. Now's the time. Now's the time. Now's the time.
In the short span of time, we have not only witnessed growth, but a profound transformation. Our training center has transformed from a classroom into a lively center of education, optimism, creativity, and excellence. As you step out in the world, armed with knowledge, passions, and purpose, remember that you carry with you the legacy of FNI. You are not just graduates, you are ambassadors of hopes, agents of change, and champions of resilience. Today, we celebrate you, and tomorrow, we eagerly await the extraordinary achievement that you may reach. Welcome to the next chapter of your journey. Welcome to the future. Your FNI family will always be proud of you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce Mr. Ahmad Nayes Fayez Alwasan.
It's a day to honor your hard work, commitment, dedication of the noble profession of caregiving. But beyond simply celebrating your individual accomplishment, today it's also about recognizing the profound impact you have and you will continue to have in the healthcare field. As you embark in the next phase of your journey and your courage and your career, I urge you to do so with courage, with integrity, and with a deep sense of purpose. The road ahead may be challenged, but I have ever confidence that you possess the skills, the knowledge, and the compassion to overcome any obstacles that may come to your way. Congrats for your achievement, and may you continue to inspire and uplift those around you with your kindness, your compassion, and your unwavering dedication to excellence. Thank you very much, and congrats again, and thank you for this invitation for me and for Australia.
I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Filipino Nightingale International for the CNA, Caregiver, Patient Care Assistant, Social Care Assistant, EMT, and EMR. Candidates for graduation, they are all past the theoretical and skill assessment needed for this graduation. We have 13 females and 3 males for a total of 16 candidates for graduation.
By the authority this in mind as an executive director for the FNI, I hereby confirm that these 16 candidates for graduation, having fully completed the requirement for the nursing assistant and emergency medical technical basic for the schooling year for 2023 and 2024. Congratulations. Now you can move your tassel from right to the left side.
We are the revelry, we are the dreamers. We dance through the night in our bones, we can feel it. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We'll light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We'll light up. and wide, and the world is before us. We are the sound of a beautiful chorus, holding to the feeling, you and I. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. We have everything we need, and we know we were made for this adventure, and we were made to go. We're light up. We're light up. Aiming for the stars against the sky. When we are together, we are bright. We're light up. We've been waiting for this moment to come. We were made for this adventure. We feel it in our blood. We're light up. We have everything we need, and we know we were made for this adventure, and we were made to go. We're light up. We're light up. We're light up. Suddenly I'm seeing everything so different, like I'm looking at the world through a brand new lens. Every shade of green and blue, and it's all because of you. I'm seeing everything. You make me wanna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Celebrate, 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 celebrate tonight. Like a picture that I've painted in my wildest dreams, came to life in every feeling that you gave to me. Found a story that we saw. Every moment is a song. I'm hearing everything. You make me wanna celebrate.
No one can stop me to reach my dream. Age is not hindrance to achieve a successful life. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for believing me in my capabilities while filling me with your love and support. To my fellow graduates, let's celebrate the milestone of our loved ones. Promise that it is the beginning of our journey for the bright future. Push harder than yesterday if you want a different tomorrow. Since everything we do today is our preparation of our successful future.
The journey had taught us to be strong. Nakaya namin apat buhatin at balansihin ang bigat ng stretchers at stairchair para sa mabilisang pagresponde sa mga pasyente, at dahil sa bigat na yon, doon ko napagtanto at hinalintulad ang bigat ng naranasan ko sa buhay, na akala ko noon hindi ko kaya. Pero dahil sa may pangarap ako, kinaya ko dahil sa tiwala ko sa aking sarili. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko sa bawat skills namin. From this moment on, the fate of our future now is rest in our hands as we move on to the next chapter of our life. May God bless us with a success and happiness. Once again, congratulations and mabuhay FNI. Thank you.
We will rise up like giants stand tall. Mountains will move and tides will follow. Change is gonna come. Look straight ahead, my face towards the sun. We will get through and we'll overcome. All change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Face the fire. We won't run. We will rise up like the sun. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Daylight will break, it won't be long. Soon there'll be hope, the darkness is gone. Oh, change is gonna come. We'll find the strength to carry on. The war has been fought, the battle's been won. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Face the fire. We won't run. We will rise up like the sun. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Face the fire. We won't run. We will rise up like the sun. Oh, change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Change is gonna come. Oh, change is gonna come. Change is gonna